Here is the inside of the Mystery Shopper program course. There is a manual, 28 pages. You can view it online or you can download the PDF and read it this way. So all the information is in here, step-by-step instructions on how to implement this program into your business and all the templates that you need to get going. So letters to staff, mystery shopper application form, recruitment letter, everything's editable instantly in Canva, free to sign up. If you haven't used Canva before, you will love it. Then there is a 20-minute or so lecture by me. I go through the program and how you can implement it. So nice, short lecture from me. Terrible pause. Definitely a quick and fast program to implement. I also have it available on audio if you want to download it. You can download it and listen to it as well. When you're cleaning or driving or taking transit, however you want to learn. Again, it's only a 20-minute lecture. Then I also show you through how in real life the website can accept your applicants. And I show the application form, how it actually works. And I also walk you through an email marketing inflow desk so you can see how I recruit my customers for this program. Under Essential Forms and Templates, you'll see all kinds of promotional graphics you can use on your social media, and then all the various templates. The entire program is here for you to really execute very quickly. You can listen to the 20-minute lecture and you can view the examples in real life, and you can pretty much have this ready to go within a day. Everything's here for you. I've done all the work. All you have to do is sit back, learn a little bit, and then put it into action.